So you might be trying to figure out how you can get your Android phone to basically look like iOS 26 or pretty close to iOS 26. Now, doing this is actually pretty basic and it really doesn't take too much time at all. So to get started, what we're first going to want to do is make our way over to our Google Play Store. Click on the little search bar at the bottom, click on the little search bar at the top, and all you're going to want to type in is basically like iOS Launcher. So type in iOS Launcher, and there's a lot of different launchers that basically come up. Now, the one that you can use if you want to, like I said, there's a lot of them. Launcher OS is a pretty popular one. I wasn't able to get this one one-to-one working. We'll go and try it again. So this is one of the ones that you can download and you can install. There's also some other ones too. So download and install and find a launcher that looks something like this and go ahead and open it up. When you do that, it's probably going to tell you, it's going to show you like 50,000 ads. A lot of these launchers end up showing you a lot of ads. So you can see this one right here. The one that I used earlier was called Launcher something. So that one was a different type of launcher. It was Launcher 2026. So if you tap into one of these types of launchers, Launcher 2026, this is another one of those ones as well. And what it'll end up doing is it'll just show you an ad and then it will get into the actual launcher after. And in this case, we've now made our way over into our launcher. And now you can kind of scroll through and you can see all these other things right here. So now the actual launcher shows up into the app library and it shows all these things too. And that's pretty much all you're going to have to do. So all you're going to have to do is basically just hop into the launcher and you can use it as you normally would. And you basically look something like this. So if you need to, you can go back home, but that's basically what the launcher looks like. So if you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.